Let's go from this to this. I'm just marking out my shape with a white eyeliner pencil. Still using the pencil to make some more details and also a little bit of white shading in some areas. Now I'm going in with a dark blue eyeshadow to outline the teeth and then like a lime green above that, blending into the blue. I've extended this line and added some more of that green shade right here. I'm using black eyeshadow to mark along the top of the wing. I still can't get over how pretty these Beauty Bay brushes are. I'm adding orange eyeshadow fading into yellow at the sides of my nose here and right here as well, going into my brow and down the side of my nose. Adding some colour to the body, and I went over the black lines as well. Joining up the mouth line using the dark blue and green eyeshadow. I'm just doing some shading with a black eyeshadow and I added a few little details with a black eyeliner. I need to add a few more finishing touches, but who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result. Be honest, how did I do? Does it look like the picture? I'm happy with how it turned out. I think the colours are really pretty. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.